Good morning, guys. So today is the big day. I gotta wait for the cars to pass. Let me drink some coffee. Homemade coffee, iced coffee, because that's the only kind of coffee I drink. Anyway, so today's the day. It's May 4th. It's like 6:10 a.m. and I'm heading over to LA because today is a big day. I know it's gonna be the happiest day of my life. Today is the BTS concert, the Love Yourself, Speak Yourself, in the Rose Bowl. And okay, sorry guys for the interruption, but as I was saying, I'm going to the BTS concert. Right now it's like 7:50, I think. I'm waiting for the train to take me to LA. So I'm waiting here, the train. Got myself some breakfast because I woke up at 4:30 and I slept like around 12, so I've only slept like 4 hours. Kind of tired. I don't know if I might sleep on the train because I haven't done my makeup, and I might do my makeup on the train. I don't know yet, but I did my hair. Kind of cute. Kind of wanted to dye it, but didn't have time. Anyway, it's exciting. Oh yeah, guys, this is my shirt, BTS shirt. I got my clear bag for the stadium. My headband is in my backpack, and my army bomb. See you there. Hey guys, so I have an hour before I can actually go to my Airbnb and leave my stuff before I go to Rose Bowl. So I came to a nearby mall to kill time. It's the Santa Anita Westfield Mall, so let's see what we find.
Everything I just put up, really. I have a pack in my, I don't think I have a pack in my car. I have a pack in my work.
Speak Yourself, here, now let's go! Yes, that was for my summer! Oh, you're whole! You're my whole! Oh, Roosevelt, make some noise! Hey guys, my name's Steve. 약속된 시간 잘 주라.
I